Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about big and small and do a fun review activity. Look at our animal friends. Big, a huge friendly elephant. Small, a cute little goat on the grass. Small, a sweet little kitty cat sitting by the tree. Big, a happy panda bear holding bamboo. Excellent! Now let's do a fun review activity. Tick the big and the small object. Look at the pictures waiting for your answers. Look at the cute little penguin and the big brave lion. Put a tick for the lion and a cross for the penguin. Look at the tiny little hamster and the big colorful van. Put a tick for the van and a cross for the hamster. Excellent! See you next time. Goodbye.